Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the SSD form factor and capacity that fits your laptop M2 versus 5, because physical fit matters. Next, back up your data and create a recovery USB so you can restore the OS. This protects against mistakes. Then power down, unplug, remove the battery if removable, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Finally, remove the bottom panel using the correct Phillips bit and keep screws in a labeled container so nothing. Once the panel is off, locate the drive bay or M2 slot and identify the standoff screw. That little detail prevents socket damage. If a 5 drive, pull the SATA connector straight out, unscrew the mounting bracket, then lift the drive free. For M2, remove the single screw and slide the module out at an angle. Insert the new SSD the same way, seat the connector fully, press down, and replace the screw, because a secure connection avoids intermittent errors. After securing the SSD, reattach the access panel and battery, then power on while watching the boot process. Enter BIOS/UEFI to confirm the drive appears and set it as the boot device if you will install the OS. Once detected, boot from your recovery USB to install or restore the system. If the SSD isn't detected, shut down, reseat connectors, test the SSD in another slot or enclosure, and consider a BIOS update. This often fixes compatibility issues that block detection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.